In today's video, we're exploring essential tools for musicians with our top picks for the best tuner and metronome apps for Android. Stick around as we dive into each app's capabilities and help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Tonal Energy Tuner V Metronome. Tonal Energy Tuner V Metronome is a versatile app that combines precise tuning with an advanced metronome. Suitable for musicians across various genres, this app features a high-quality tuner that can detect a wide range of pitches, making it ideal for string, wind, and vocal instruments. The metronome offers customizable beats, subdivisions, and accents, allowing musicians to practice at their own pace or follow specific rhythms. Additionally, Tonal Energy includes visual feedback, such as a unique pitch graph and vibration options, making it great for both visual and auditory learners. This comprehensive tool is perfect for musicians looking to improve their tuning and timing skills. Datuner V Metronome. Datuner V Metronome is a simple yet effective app that focuses on providing accurate tuning and a user-friendly metronome. The app features a highly responsive tuner that can detect pitches from various instruments quickly and accurately, with an easy-to-read interface that shows the pitch and deviation in real time. The metronome function offers a straightforward design, with adjustable tempo settings and various time signatures. Datuner is perfect for beginners and seasoned musicians alike, providing the essential tools needed for tuning and rhythm practice without overwhelming complexity. The Metronome by Soundbrenner. The Metronome by Soundbrenner is designed specifically for musicians who want a robust and customizable metronome app. This app features a stylish and intuitive interface, allowing users to easily set their preferred beats per minute, BPM, and customize beat patterns with accents and subdivisions. One unique feature of this metronome is its vibration function, which helps musicians feel the beat, making it ideal for live performances or situations where hearing the click may be challenging. The app also allows users to create and save different presets for quick access during practice sessions, making it a valuable tool for musicians looking to refine their timing skills. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found these tuner and metronome app recommendations helpful for elevating your music practice. See you next time on our channel.